Finding and using bells in Minecraft is a useful skill that can enhance gameplay and provide various benefits. To start, bells are a type of block that can be used to alert players of potential dangers, mark important locations, or even scare away mobs. First, to find bells, players need to explore villages, as they are commonly found in village structures, particularly in the town square or near the village center. Players can also find bells by exploring shipwrecks, as they sometimes generate with bells on board. Once a bell is found, it can be mined using any tool, and it will drop as an item. Bells can then be placed on the ground or on a wall, and they can be activated by right-clicking on them. When activated, the bell will produce a distinct sound that can be heard by players within a certain range. Using bells strategically can be beneficial. For example, placing a bell near a mob spawn can alert players when mobs are nearby, allowing them to prepare and defend themselves. Bells can also be used to mark important locations, such as a base or a specific biome, making it easier for players to navigate. In addition to their practical uses, bells can also be used for decorative purposes, adding a touch of realism to a player's base or village. To get the most out of bells, players should experiment with different placement locations and activation methods to find what works best for their specific needs. Overall, finding and using bells in Minecraft is a simple yet effective way to enhance gameplay and provide various benefits. By following these steps and using bells strategically, players can improve their overall Minecraft experience.